Hello guys, this is Vivek. I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Excel as a database. Few of the user requested, so I'm making a video on this. So as you can see on my screen, I just created one of the Excel and it's having few of the records, and we will see how to read this data via database. Okay, so in order to use that one, first you have to download the MS Access. I'll show you how you can do it. So here in the Google, you can just go ahead and just type Microsoft Access Database Engine 2010, and here you can get some link. So I would suggest you can go this link. Here you can just download it here. So just I'll go and I'll just download it on desktop. Just right click, and here you can just download. So in my machine it's already installed, so that is the reason it's asking to reinstall it, but once it's done, that's it. Okay, so now we will go to the Automation Anywhere, and here we will create a new bot, Excel to TV, create and edit, and this you can see it's a blank. So first what we have to do, we have to make a connection string to connect Excel as a database. So for that you can just search Excel connection string OLETV. So you can see, just open this link, and here you can get the link. So just copy this link, and here you can see the last point, it's HDR is equal to yes. If your Excel is having the header, then mark it as yes. If it's not having the header as header, then mark it as no. Okay, so I'll just copy this path, and here you have to change this to your Excel. So I'll do this in my Excel. So first what I will do, I'll just go to the database. Okay, just connect it, and here you can see multiple options. So here you can see multiple user defined. So what we will do, we'll use the default, but before putting the text here, I can create some variable. So what I'll do, I'll just mark it as connection string. So okay, here I can place the data which I copy, and as I told, just mark it as your local path. So I'll just okay, rest you can keep it as it is, and here we can use the same. So I'll just mark it as connection string, save. After that you can go and just use the read. So here you can put the select statement. Session name I kept it as a default, so you can use the same here, default. Enter the select statement. So in order to make a select statement, you have to write the query. So I'll show you how you can write it. So here you can see the SQL query, select name, employee ID, designation. So this I copied from here, name, employee ID and designation. From this is the table name. So table name is basically sheet, and after that appended by $2 sign. Okay, so I'll just copy this, paste it here. This all are optional, so if you want to keep it you can keep, otherwise you can keep it blank also. Just save it. Once you read the data, then your record are fetched, and now we have to put the loop. So simply I can go and use the loop to iterate all the records. So here you can use the, we're using the database, so we can go for each row in a SQL query set. Session name we will use the default, because here we use the default. And here, so currently no variable, I can create a variable SQL data record. Just I'll put it REC keyword. Okay, so this is the record, we got it. Just save it, and we can display the values in the message box. So for that I can use the message box. Okay, I'll delete it, it's 2 times. Okay, and here it's very simple, just use the rack dataset row, and here you can use the by index or by name. So I would suggest I will go with the designation and name. So what I'll do, I'll just first I'll take this name, and the other one I can take the designation. So I'll just copy this designation. Okay, so that's it, and now we can see whether it's working or not. Okay, let's see. So let me run it. So first record is Bob Peter, its designation is developer. Second is Raj Malhotra, project manager, and third is Patrick, he is the delivery manager. So by this way you can use Excel as a database. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.